Hello students, in this lecture we'll know about what are virtual base classes. In the previous lecture we have learned about hybrid inheritance and the structure for it was, let me show you, student, test, sports and then result. And it was derived like this, where there was no connection between student and sports. It was due to, because if we make this connection, then the result class will get the data of student, that is roll number and name, from both sides, from the test side also and from the sports side also. It will get roll number and name from both sides because student is having two data members, roll number and name. You can see over here in this class also, roll number and name are its two members. When we inherit it through test class as well as sports class, and then these classes are used to get data to result class, then this roll number, name and these two functions, input and output, will go to the result class twice, once through test class and another through sports class. So this will give ambiguity or some problem in the program. So in order to avoid this problem, either we can remove this arrow that we have done in the hybrid inheritance, that sports class was individual one and it was giving its data to the result class, but it was not connected to the student class. Okay, but if I want to connect it to the student class as well, then what is the solution? Then the solution is to give the data to the result class either through test class or sports class by using the keyword virtual base classes, by using the concept of virtual base classes. And for that we use the keyword virtual. If we write the keyword virtual while inheriting a class, then the data will be inherited either through test class or sports class automatically. And if I show you in the program, you can see over here, when creating test class, which is inheriting student class in public mode, we have written the keyword virtual. That means it will get the data from student virtually. Okay, and while creating the sports class, you can see that it is again using the keyword virtual. Let me show you. Over here we have created the class sports and it is inheriting student class in public mode, and again virtual keyword is used. That means the data of roll number, name and input output functions will go to the result class only once and not twice. You can use this virtual keyword before public or after public. It doesn't matter, it does not make any difference. As in the previous example, in the previous class we have written virtual over here and public over here, and here we have interchanged their positions. So it doesn't matter whether you write virtual over here or here, both of them will work. And now while creating the result class, you can see that we don't need to write virtual over here. It is just like inheriting test class and sports class by comma, as it is shown in the multiple inheritance. Test and sports are inherited by this result class by using this syntax. We have studied this hybrid inheritance in the previous lecture also. So if you want to get access of student data from either test side or sports side, both the classes, then we can use the keyword virtual in order to avoid ambiguity. So this is the concept of virtual base classes, and rest of the program is same as we have done in the previous section, that hybrid inheritance. So you can see here the only difference was over here public uh, class sports public virtual student, or this one class test virtual public student. That's it. Only the difference is in this line. Now let's execute this program. I'll give the roll number as 1003, name, any name of your choice, anything, marks, and these are the results. Roll number, name, subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, then score, and then total marks 131. So this is the result. I think I didn't share the output window with you. Let me execute the program again. I think you can see the output window now. I'll give the roll number, then name, marks, and these are the results. Roll number is this, name, and then subject of 2 marks 2345, score of sports, and then total marks 98. So this is the result. I hope you understand the concept of virtual base classes thoroughly through this program. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.